Are you feeling overwhelmed by clutter or just tired of constantly searching for lost items? Meet Organized Chaos by V, a woman-owned Atlanta business now proudly serving Marietta and beyond. With over 10 years of experience, OCBV transforms homes from cluttered and chaotic to calm and organized, all with a personal, non-judgmental touch. Whether you need to refresh a single closet, prepare your home for sale, or get help packing for a move, their friendly team can handle it all. Here's what makes OCBV stand out. They work alongside you, respecting the sentimental value of each item and never pressure you to throw things out. Every system is customized, making it easy to keep your space organized long after the job is done. So, if you're ready to reclaim your space and your peace of mind, reach out for a free discovery call and see for yourself how Organized Chaos by V can help turn your chaos into tranquility.